public liability injury claim is a claim for compensation available to a person who has suffered an injury or loss on public or private property due to the negligence of the owner or occupier of that property. The owner or occupier of property has a duty of care to people who are on that property, and should their breach of duty of care result in an injury, then the injured party may claim. This duty of care is essentially a responsibility to ensure the safety and well-being of the people on the property and to do all that is reasonably available to avoid foreseeable injuries from occurring. If an owner or occupier has breached their duty of care, and as a result of which you have suffered injury, you may be entitled to make a public liability injury claim. Depending on the nature and extent of your injuries, on the successful prosecution of a public liability injury claim, you are entitled to recover damages for your pain and suffering, or what is known as non-economic loss, past and future medical expenses, past and future loss of earnings, and in some cases, the value of any care that you have or will require by reason of your injuries, as well as a contribution towards your legal costs. The duration of the compensation claim process is largely dependent on the extent and nature of your injuries and the treatment required. It is only when there has been stabilisation of the injuries sustained can a full and proper assessment be made as to the nature of the losses incurred, both past and future. If you believe you may be entitled to make a public liability claim, it is recommended that you seek expert legal advice given the complexities that are involved. Our team of personal injury lawyers here at Bryden's Lawyers are very well equipped to assist you with such a claim and will ensure that you receive the maximum compensation to which you are entitled to. Give Bryden's Lawyers a call now to find out more, and remember, strict time limits do apply to the making of a public liability claim.